Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Reef token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Reef is a specialized layer 1 blockchain designed to serve as the infrastructure for tokenizing real world assets like real estate and sport equity, offering developers full Ethereum compatibility and built-in compliance tools specialized for real world assets RWAs. It's built to tokenize equity and alternative investments, targeting regulated issuers and retail investors. Substrate based with EVM compatibility, uses a flexible nominated proof of stake NPOS consensus and runs Ethereum smart contracts natively. Utility driven native token. Reef is used for paying transaction fees, staking to secure the network, and participating in governance. Reef project institution rating is 4.1 and this project audited by Ceritic. Reef token total supply is 37.23 billion and circulating supply is also 33.27 billion Reef token. Reef token is listed on KuCoin, MEXC, Binance US and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project, up to 80% chance is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.